Hi, here is the Konica C35 EF overall conditions. Okay, and here is the casing. It's like this. Okay, just put aside. But this camera, it have two battery compartments. One is here. This one is designed for the light meter and also the auto mode of the camera, about the shutter. Using this to open it. Okay. Here, using one LR44 battery. Just put it like this. The positive is face outside, as you can see at here. Then just lock it. Next is at the bottom part. Here's for the flash, using 2A battery. Yeah. Okay, just put accordingly. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here's the film. But the film, we need to slide into this compartment like this, from the bottom to the top. Make sure that the key have locked the film lah. If you didn't put fully inside, you cannot close the back compartment. Yeah. Then the film tip you insert into here. Make sure you insert properly and just wind it and close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? Roll a bit like this, leave it tight, put it. When you wind, look at here. It will move together, which means that you have loaded properly. Okay. Another thing is inside the inner part. This one is the inner part. Okay. So you can see actually now here got a small needle at the red color part, and it will change accordingly. Here is the aperture of the camera. It will show you lah. If it's at red side, which means that you need to open the flash. Then here is the focus sign. Now it's at the closest. This one consider 1 meter lah. Okay, then if I switch, wait try to let it focus. Okay, yeah, we'll move down and move down. Then here you see here the needle, it will change according to the light. Try my best. Oops. Because the sensor is at the lens part, so if the lens didn't sense the part, then it cannot sense it lah. Okay, but the next thing we need to do is to adjust the ISO first. Yeah, just now the film is using 400, so we just adjust to 400. Okay, you see, we shall see whether it will move or not. Wait okay, if it doesn't move, it got two types. You can aim to the bright place to see whether the needle got moved up or down or not. If it doesn't move at all, means maybe it's the battery is finished or something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it's like fully open the aperture, so it will change accordingly lah if you have battery inside. Then if it's too dark at the red side, then means that you need to open the flash by sliding here to let the flash pop out. But if can, you use another hand to hold it, let it pop up slowly. Yeah, it's the way to like maintenance or something lah. If you keep let it pop up like quickly or hardly, then time to time it will spoil. Okay. Then when the flash is fully charged, here have a orange light up. Then you can fire. Okay, like that. If you don't want to use the flash, close it down. Next thing is here. This one is a timer. Pull it down, press it, start counting. Took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah. Okay. And here we'll record how many shots we have took. Yeah. Well, my advice for you is you wind until like you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore. Then you stop it. only you click the silver button to rewind it. Here have an arrow show you the way to rewind. Rewind it until it become very loose, means that you have rewinded properly, then only you open the back cover. If inside got film, don't open the back cover unless you didn't load the film properly or you have rewinded. Yeah. Then take it out. Then this one, wind, then only shoot. Yeah. Every time you want to shoot, you just like fully wind it and shoot it. And here is the overall setting of the camera. Hope you enjoy it.